AutoCAD program. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design (CAD) software application developed by Autodesk that enables users to create precise 2D and 3D drawings and models. It is widely used in a variety of industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and media and entertainment. AutoCAD is available for Windows and Mac operating systems and offers a range of tools and features for drafting, annotation, and 3D modeling. Some examples include creating and editing 2D geometry, lines, arcs, circles, etc. Adding text and dimensions to drawings. Working with layers to organize and control the visibility of objects in a drawing. Importing and exporting data from other software applications. Using 3D modeling tools to create 3D shapes and surfaces. Creating detailed technical drawings and plans for construction projects.